If you are one of the millions of people living with a romantic partner but unmarried, you need a cohabitation agreement. And I am here to tell you why. Hi, I'm Mackenzie Sorich, founder of View Ridge Family Law and Estate Planning. Today, I'm going to share a story about my friend Chris, and they've given me permission to share this story to help you. I handled a divorce for Chris many years ago, and we kept in touch over the years. Eventually, Chris found a new partner. They sold their house and moved in with the partner to a beautiful farm that they turned into a profitable business. Everything seemed ideal and perfect until it wasn't. So you're probably figuring out that this story is not going to have a happy ending. Everything seemed perfect until one day out of the blue, Chris's partner told him that the relationship was over. They wanted Chris out of the house, out of the business, and out of their life. And this was devastating because Chris had invested so much of their time and energy into this relationship and business. Naturally, Chris was devastated. When Chris came to me and asked for advice and wanting to know what their rights were, the first thing we looked for is a cohabitation agreement. And when I found out that they had never created one, I had to deliver bad news. There was no cohabitation agreement. Their name wasn't on the property. Their name wasn't on the business documents. And this meant that they were facing a very challenging and potentially unsuccessful legal battle to try and recoup what they had invested. So you're probably thinking, that's not very fair for Chris. And it's not. But the fact is that the law protects married couples and gives them defined property rights when they're divorcing in ways that it does not protect unmarried cohabitating couples. So don't make the same mistake that Chris has made here. Get yourself a cohabitation agreement with your partner. Look, I know it's not exactly romantic to bring up a cohabitation agreement with your partner, but you can get through that awkward conversation, and we can help. We help families all the time get the dialogue going and work out all the details of a fair cohabitation agreement. So many people tell us when they've done this, they feel better and more secure in their relationship, and the relationships often last much longer than they do without an agreement worked out in advance. So if you are ready to strengthen your relationship, just give us a call.